Hi, I hope you had a well-rested and enjoyable Labour's Day holiday. And welcome back to this tutorial, diagonally opposed golden points.
Action!
But before we start, I'd like to draw your attention to my photography academy here. It's at www.beyond.photos. You see, I've been teaching photography for close to 20 years now. And as such, I've collected a huge collection of experience in making photography learning easy, affordable, and effective. As such, we have many e-learning titles here. They're called e-learnings. And there are 18 of such collections of e-learning on photography, covering a wide genre of photography. And the best part is, they are undergoing promo now, so you can stay home and stay safe and enjoy these lessons. And last month, we launched a new series called the Premium Courses. Premium courses are e-learning, online learning courses on photography that you can subscribe to, and the whole year, you get lessons uploaded for you every week on a wide genre of photography learning, from composition, camera settings, flashes, portraits, you name it, we have it. And the best part is, instead of $120 a year, we want you to stay home and learn a new skill. It is now just $25 a year. I hope you support our premium courses and our e-learning, and as such, I've decided to take in a lesson that we uploaded 2 weeks ago. It's called Diagonally Opposed Golden Points, because not too long ago I published a video here on YouTube called Golden Points, and many of you are fascinated with it. This is the extension of it, and if you're a Premium Courses subscriber, you have gotten this 2 weeks ago. Enjoy! In a few lessons earlier, you learned about golden points and how they are different from rule of thirds. This is an extension of golden points. Now we learned that for golden point 1 and 2, they are used to trigger impulse within your viewers. And then golden point 3 and 4 are more out of reach, more exclusive, more up in the air. Aerial photographers use them a lot. Now there's one more important thing that you must learn in this lesson. It's called diagonally opposed golden points. The diagonal opposition of golden point number 1 is actually number 4. Look at it. Because if you plot a line, it looks like it goes up. And that's one of the most beautiful ways to actually pair up the usage of golden point. So if you're going to use golden point number 1, avoid using golden point number 2 at the same time. It will just disrupt the balance. When a photographer says that a balance is disrupted, that means your photos are balanced. That's not a good thing. If you really look at it, rule of thirds are not balanced. Golden points shouldn't be balanced. So don't put golden point 1 and 2. That will just ruin the photo. Instead, golden point 1 should be paired up diagonally, opposite at the top to golden point number 4. And here are some great examples of how that is being used. And then we have another pair, which is golden point number 2 to number 3. Again, you notice it's a diagonally opposite, lower, go up. And here are some photos that have these pairings. So there you have it. In this quick lesson, you realize that you've learned something new and amazing about golden points and the way you should pair it. Diagonally opposed usage of golden points. If you like our YouTube video, to keep us going, I hope that you head onto our website here, subscribe to our e-learning lessons, and also the premium courses. You're going to enjoy the effective lessons and the affordable $25 per year subscription. So I hope you support us. Head on there and sign up now.